Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing number 143. If we start with this box, we're missing 5, 6, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 6. 5 and 8 here means this is our 6, 5, 8. For this column now we're only missing a 1. For this row we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 2. For this box now we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got a 3 here and a 6 here, so this is our 1. That 3 makes this our 6, 3. For this column now we're missing 3, 4, and 5. We've got 4 and 5 here, so this is our 3, 5 here, so 4, 5. For this box now we're missing 1, 5, and 6. We've got 5 and 6 here, so this is our 1, 5 here, so 6, 5. For this column now we're missing 1, 2, and 7. We've got 1 and 2 here, so this is our 7. 2 here, so 1, 2. For this box now we're missing 3, 4, and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 9, 3 here, so 4, 9. That means our 3 for that box has to be here. For this row, we're missing 6, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 9, 8 here, so 6, 9. That means our 8 has to be here. For this box, we're missing 6, 8, and 9. We've got 6 and 9 here, so this is our 8. 6 here, so 9, 6. That 9 makes this our 4, 9. For this row now we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 7, 5. For this row we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. For this column we're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. For this box now we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 2. For this row now we're missing 7 and 9. I don't see any help. So 7, 9, 7, 9. For this row we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 9, 2. That 9 makes this our 6, 9, and that 9 makes this our 7, 9. For this box now we're missing 1, 4, and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 4, 1 here, so 4, 6. 4 here, so 1, 6. For this bottom row, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 4. That 6 makes this our 1, 4, 6. For this box now, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. We've got a 1 and 7 here, so this is our 3. 1 here, so 7 and 1. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.